Everybody, this is Domingo with you from the mobile phone. Hope you're doing fantastic. And I'm going to be showing you Stepbet's new look. I made a video on how to use Stepbet, which you can check out in the description below. But here we're going to show you the new user interface of Stepbet. Now, they've gone green, literally. So I'm playing a game right now, and as it shows here, the interface has a major makeover, and it still shows the steps, the active days, and the stretch days, but they changed the stretch days into what's called power days. So that is interesting to say the least. Now, for navigation wise, here's how to navigate it. You press on the I on the top right, and then it shows the information, number of players, the pot, and then the length of time the game plays. And then it also has your comments listed below here. Now, on the bottom of the screen, you'll see the lightning bolt icon, which takes you straight back here, and then the search magnifying glass so that you can see all the games. So it shows the featured games here, and then we're going to go see all games, and then you can choose whatever game that you want here. And then there's also the bell button where it shows your notifications, where it says you made your active goals or you made your power goals, and you can also look at comments from your previous games. And then there's also the profile button where it shows that you can access your profile. So you can edit your profile right here, and then you can go points and payouts, and also become a member. So it shows you how to do that. And then past games that you've played right here, and then push notifications, notification settings, hidden users, credit card, step source, and then it also has your FAQ, your original rules, your report a bug, and your log out button. So those are the new things in the Stepbet app. So if you have any questions about this, leave it in the comments below. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.